my loves, ready for Valentine's Day? Today I'm sharing 3 trendy heart nail ideas that are easier than they look. Let's get started. First, apply 1 layer of smoky sheer gel to get that glass-like background. Take your liner brush and carefully frame the edges with a thin black line. Now paint just 1 cute little red heart right here. Seal everything with a layer of top coat and cure it. This is important for the next step. With black gel, draw the rest of your hearts and add some dots. Wait, don't cure yet. Sprinkle clear shimmer powder over the wet black gel, then cure it. Finally, add a drop of rubber top coat only on the red heart to make it pop out. And we're done. Look at that velvet texture versus the glossy red, so chic. Apply a magnetic top coat over a nude base. Use your magnet to get that perfect velvet shine. Grab your gold metallic gel and draw a thin, elegant heart shape. Cure this layer. Now, carefully trace only the heart with top coat using a liner brush. Don't cure yet. Place your rhinestones and beads right into the wet top coat. When you love the look, cure it. And done. It's a sparkly, elegant, and perfect for Valentine's dinner. Start with a white base, then paint a solid red heart right in the center. Now outline that heart with silver magnetic gel. Use your magnet to activate the shine. Keep going. Outline the previous heart with a new color. I'm using pink. Use the magnet on every single layer to keep the design moving until the nail is full. Seal the whole design with a glossy top coat. Finally, use a glitter rubber base only on the center heart to make it puffy and 3D. And we're done, a juicy, sparkly heart. Which of the 3 designs was your favorite? Let me know.